Smoky Mountain Knife Works has a rich history of over 40 years being a family-owned business and very active in our local community. This year, we had a project that weighed very heavy on our hearts. And so we ask our customers in store to donate $1 to a charity that means so much to us. And our customers, who are the best in the business, did not disappoint at all. And so this year, we were able to give back to the community in a way that we've never seen before.
TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And today I'm joined by Deidre and Brittany from the Peer Academy. And first we want to talk about what the Peer Academy is and what you guys do here.
So Peer Academy is a school dedicated to the education of students with autism. We have been founded since 2016 by our amazing executive director, Miss Deidre Messenger. And we educate students from kindergarten up till 12th grade. And we provide a very holistic approach to their actual education for their academic needs. Try to be able to meet everything from their social, emotional to behavior as well as academic.
That is incredible. So you answered my next question when you got started. So 2016 was when it was founded.
Yes.
And I got to ask, where did you get the inspiration? Was this a passion of yours?
My son was diagnosed at the age of 2 with autism, and we were kicked out of several preschool programs. And after a few years, my husband's like, "Why don't you just find people and start a school?" So that's what we did, and we've been here since 2016.
That is amazing. And I mean, that's an incredible service. I mean, what you guys do here is absolutely amazing. It's incredibly inspiring, and these children are an inspiration in and of themselves.
They're amazing.
Yeah.
They
are
make
amazing.
what we do
Worth it every
worth
day.
it every
And
day.
I mean,
Yes.
the beauty in what you guys do, I can't say enough about that. And that's something that's very near and dear to our heart, only on a personal level, but also just for what you guys do for the community. I think that's incredible. And so today, we are going to present you guys with a check, and this is a very big check, to go to a very big bank.
Very big thing. Yes.
But this is going to be a donation from Smoky Mountain Knife Works for the sum of $15,639. And hopefully this will help you guys in your future.
This will
and,
help us so much.
That is awesome. And that's what we're here for. I mean, we love being able to support people in the community, especially people like you guys doing amazing service in the community. So go online, check out the Peer Academy. If you want to make donations, what can they do?
They can go online to www.knoxpeeracademy.org, and we have a donation on our website. That's the easiest way.
Absolutely. So, folks, if you want to make donations, go to www.knoxpeeracademy.org, and you can make donations yourself.
Liam, did you have a favorite part of the story?
No. My favorite part was
No.
Olivia had a red dress.
Oh, you like the red dress?
Wait, is that
The
his?
red dress was nice. That's a good detail you remember.
No, that was
Hudson,
in her classwork.
Hudson, did you have a favorite part? What was your favorite part?
I love her classwork. The story, she's like,
All right, Carson, what did you like about
From our
the
hearts to yours, we want to thank you, our loyal customers, so much.